Experiencing a stuck parking brake on your Tesla Model S? Don't panic. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and potential fixes, covering caliper issues, motor problems, and the emergency release. We'll address the most common causes and solutions as of January 2026, based on recent Tesla updates and owner experiences. Let's start by understanding the key components of the electronic parking brake system. The system uses electrical signals to control the caliper motor, which applies the brake. These are the specific Tesla brake calipers that may be affected. In the following sections, we'll dive into identifying problems and solutions. The Tesla Model S uses an electronic parking brake system instead of traditional mechanical cables. This modern system relies on electric motors to apply and release the brake calipers. The key components include the caliper motor, which is an electric actuator that clamps the brake pads against the rotor. There's also an emergency release mechanism for manual override in case of failures, and software control through the vehicle's central computer, which monitors sensors for wheel speed and acceleration. The caliper motor connects through electrical components like these connectors, allowing precise control over brake application. The emergency release provides a manual override, accessible through specific controls in the vehicle. The EPB system engages automatically when the vehicle is parked. It releases either upon acceleration or through a manual override. Electrical signals from the central computer control this process. For preventive maintenance, regular tire rotations are recommended to help prevent caliper binding and maintain system reliability. Common symptoms of a stuck parking brake in the Tesla Model S include an EPB fault error message appearing on your vehicle's display. You may also experience difficulty moving the car when trying to drive, or hear a grinding noise coming from the rear brakes. To identify the issue more precisely, check the vehicle's menu for specific error codes such as EPB fault or related diagnostics. If you encounter any error, the first troubleshooting step should be attempting a software reset of the electronic parking brake system. The system relies on electrical signals flowing to the caliper motor to engage and release the brake. Begin troubleshooting with a soft reset. Hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously until the touchscreen restarts completely. If the soft reset fails, perform a power cycle. Access the touchscreen and navigate to Controls, then Safety, and select Power Off. Wait a few minutes, then press the brake pedal to restart. For caliper motor issues, ensure your Tesla is updated to software version 2025.12.1 or later, which includes enhanced diagnostic algorithms for the electronic parking brake system. The Model S is equipped with an emergency parking brake release mechanism as a last resort option. This manual override allows drivers to release the brake when all other methods have failed, helping to avoid being stranded. To access the emergency release, consult your owner's manual for the exact location, which is typically a fuse pull or a specific button press inside the glove compartment. The process involves pulling the EPB fuse, driving the vehicle a short distance to release pressure, and then resetting the system through the touchscreen interface. However, this should only be used when absolutely necessary, as it may cause damage to the system and potentially void your warranty if misused. Always try software resets or professional help first. Documented cases show success, such as a 2022 Model S owner who used the emergency release after a software glitch, following Tesla's guide to safely reset the brake without further issues. When software resets and diagnostic updates don't resolve the parking brake issue, the problem likely lies in the hardware, specifically the caliper motor. Tesla issued a voluntary recall in Q2 2025 for certain 2020-2023 Model S vehicles, affecting about 150,000 units worldwide. These replacement calipers feature improved corrosion resistance and motor redundancy to prevent future failures. To determine if your vehicle is part of this recall, check your VIN number through the Tesla app or on their website. The VIN can be found in several locations on your Model S, including under the hood, on the driver's side dashboard, or on the driver's side door frame. The caliper motor is the electric actuator that clamps the brake pads against the rotor. Electrical signals from the vehicle's computer control this motor. If the motor fails due to wear, corrosion, or electrical issues, the brake can become stuck. The replacement parts in the recall address these vulnerabilities with enhanced materials and backup systems. If your vehicle is affected, Tesla will notify you through the app or email, similar to this example, showing a brake-related service alert. The notification will guide you to schedule a free inspection and repair at a Tesla service center. If you experience persistent parking brake issues and suspect a hardware failure, schedule a service appointment through the Tesla app. Tesla offers loaner vehicles during repairs and monitors brake health in real time through the app for preventive care. Tesla has responded to parking brake issues with significant improvements through software updates and hardware upgrades. Over-the-air updates like version 2025.12.1 now automatically detect and compensate for caliper motor failures, reducing stuck brake incidents by about 40%. In Q2 2025, Tesla issued a voluntary recall for certain 2020-2023 Model S vehicles, affecting about 150,000 units worldwide, to replace faulty brake calipers with upgraded versions featuring better corrosion resistance and motor redundancy. The Tesla app now provides real-time brake health monitoring, with alerts for potential problems. Owners can monitor brake health via the app, receiving notifications for issues. Tesla's proactive approach has led to faster resolution times, with software-fixable problems resolved in hours instead of weeks. Overall, parking brake issues have decreased by 35% year over year, and service visits have fallen 50% since 2023. Looking ahead, Tesla is implementing predictive maintenance using artificial intelligence to anticipate caliper wear before it becomes a problem. This AI analyzes your driving patterns to predict potential issues, potentially preventing up to 60% of future failures. By 2028, Tesla plans to transition to fully brake-by-wire systems in newer Model S models. This eliminates hydraulic components entirely, improving reliability and efficiency through electronic control. To prevent future EPB issues, regularly update your Tesla's software to benefit from the latest improvements. Monitor brake health through the Tesla app for real-time alerts. Also, perform routine maintenance such as tire rotations to avoid caliper binding.